Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm here to show you how to change the location on your iPhone mobile devices. Yes, we'll be able to send any completely fake location, whether it's on WhatsApp, Tinder, Snapchat, Live360, or for any trick we want to pull. And we're going to do it all with just one app and in a very easy way. So, let's get started. Alright guys, to do this process, I'm going to need an app called 𝑹𝑬𝑫𝑬𝑺. We can download this app completely free of charge. However, I should mention that it also has a premium section, a paid section, but we'll go over that little by little as we analyze the video. I recommend watching the video first before making any decisions about this app. So guys, to be able to download and install this app, I'll leave the links down below in the description. All you have to do is click on them and it will take you to this page to download 𝑹𝑬𝑫𝑬𝑺. So simply, to obviously download and install it, we're going to click here and then click install. And as you can see, nothing happened at all, but if we go over here, the app will be installing, and depending on our internet speed, it will finish installing. If we try to open it, a warning will usually pop up that won't let us open it. In my case, the app did open. If it doesn't open for you, just go to your device's settings. We're going to go to General Tape, scroll down to where it says Device Management and VPN. And it will show up here. You just need to click on it, tap install here, and it will ask you to restart your phone to complete the installation. The phone will restart, and when it turns back on, it will ask you to enter your unlock code. And then the app will be verified and ready to use. In this case, I already have it here, so I'm going to use it. Right here, it shows my current location. I can change it to anywhere, to any road. In this case, I'm going to tap here and select teleport. If you also get this notification like I do, which is actually good, for 𝑹𝑬𝑫𝑬𝑺, it will send us directly to download the latest version. If it asks you to buy or pay, then it's up to you whether you want to do it or not. But first, I'll show you this so you can see that it really works. Let's tap here on download now. It's going to make us download test flight. Let's tap here on download. Once it's downloaded, we can tap open, but we're going to tap allow continue and then go back directly to where this link was opened, and we'll also install this one. We click here and now it starts installing. If we tap there, from here the app opens up. We're going to allow location, tap next, and then tap accept. Now we have the app installed, guys. We just need to change our location to anywhere else. In this case, let's set it over here. Teleport. Let's tap here on VPN settings, tap allow, enter our verification code, and in this case, since we're on iOS, it directly asks us to install a component from the computer. Not everyone will be asked for this. In my case, since my device has iOS 18, it will ask me. Here we can tap on this and the guide, and it will show us exactly what we need to do on our computer to complete the verification or installation. This process is completely free. I'm going to do it so you can get an idea of how it's done. Alright guys, now that we're here at the computer, we're going to download and install the application that appeared on our phone. I'll also leave the links below in the description. Once it's downloaded and installed, I have it open here so you can see what it's like. I'm going to go back. Here it asks us which device we're going to use, but in this case, we're just going to click up here on this tool and we'll need to install this, which is the components for iOS. As I mentioned, it's completely free. This method really is completely free. So all we need to do is connect our device to the computer. Obviously, we're going to connect it and unlock it. There, we have it already unlocked. We enter our security pin. I'm going to turn off this, which is the internet. There it is. And we're going to click on install components, okay? So we're going to verify again if it asks for it on the phone. We can disconnect it. Now we have everything fully activated on our device. Don't worry about that mode. Nothing will happen to you. No one is going to steal your information. They won't know your location. Nothing strange is going to happen with that, guys. So here, we're going to directly change our location. Let's suppose over here. It's going to ask us again for VPN configuration, so let's enable it. Now the top part is already activated. Now it's already running. Here is our actual location now. Now we're going to change it to here, to this road. Let's hit teleport, and that's it. The location has already been changed. How are we going to check it? If we go to, let's say Google Maps, let's try Maps, and we show up exactly on that road we marked, as you can see here. Now, let's say we want to change it. Let's go to Chile. Let's say Chile. All right, to Chile. Anywhere in Chile, it's going to send us over there to a mountain. Okay, let's teleport. Now we've already teleported. Let's check Google Maps, and instantly it sends us over there to that mountain range in the middle of nowhere. And we can also use this for WhatsApp or for whatever we want. Suppose we want to play a prank on someone, or we want to send our location to our boss or a client we want to have come to our company, our store, whatever we want, we'll be able to send it. We can also do this with Tinder to change our location and meet people from other places. Let's select New York. Let's put New York, United States, and then click on teleport. There we have the Big Apple, New York, as you can see. Let's check on Google Maps. and it should already be changing to New York. I know the installation is a bit tedious, a bit long, but here we would already have the location completely changed on our device and we can navigate. However, for those who want to use it to play Pokemon Go, which would be the case here, you need to follow the same steps we did on the computer so that you don't get an error. Yes, error 12. Anyway, I'll leave some videos down below in the description to help you fix that error. Here, we can just click on teleport directly. Let's see. Let's pick a strategic spot. In this case, right here, let's select that. We're going to send the location to someone on WhatsApp so you can see it. Send it here, location. And here, as you can see, it would send us directly to the United States, to the same street. And here, as you can see, we can send it directly. I'm going to send it so you can see that there's no error. And when someone tries to open it, we can look it up. Let's go to Waze directly. So you can also see that this is the location that was changed. There it is. And we have the routes to get there and everything like that, right? This is super strange, super curious, since here it shows that we'll arrive in 4 minutes. In other words, it's detecting us really, really close. And we can do this, as I mentioned, with any other application where we want to change the location. At least in this case, in the Facebook dating section, it asks me to enable location. Here it shows that we're in Medellin, but we can refresh it and it will automatically change to New York. And well guys, that's how easy it is to change the location on your iOS mobile devices. I hope you liked it, I hope you loved it. Don't forget to give me your powerful like and your powerful subscription. Leave a comment below in the comment box if it worked for you, if it didn't work, or what problem you had with your mobile device so we can try to help you solve it. Also, a shout out to the new followers of the channel. 1,000, truly 1,000 thanks. Thank you for stopping by, for supporting me. 1,000, truly 1,000 thanks. So, as in all my videos, I don't like to keep you waiting, and until next time, bye-bye. Wait a moment, by the way, MacPogo has a new promotion. If you buy one, you get 3 completely free. In this case, you would get it for Windows, for Mac, and for the Android Aran version. All this without spending a single cent more. So what are you waiting for? Links are down below as well. And now, that's it. See you next time. Bye-bye.